Oh, fantastic. Every single person is great. I was very happy. As you can still see, I'm still happy. Yep, my name is Craig from London. So basically I had a bit of some broken teeth and some teeth that I needed replacing. So I wanted to come and have the best from the best. Okay, so it was a recommendation from one of my friends who also came here as well. He's a patient from you guys. I saw the results from what he had done and I literally couldn't change my mind. I had to come here. No, not nervous at all. It's the same thing back in the UK, if not even better than the UK. We come here and we got what we needed done with a good experience. We had the full experience of what we needed to get done and the process, it was very straightforward. And yeah, I was more than happy to travel. So there was no pain at all during the procedure. It was just obviously the beginning with the injections. You feel the injection as everyone does, but as soon as you're numb, you don't feel a thing. I had 5 implants, I did not feel anything. Oh, it's different. The technology, the equipment you have is more advanced than we have in London, definitely. Natural look, perfect, because that's what I wanted, the natural look, not the Hollywood, and the color of it, fantastic. I will tell them that they do not have nothing to worry about. Everything will be straightforward, the procedure is straightforward, and everyone will take care of you while we're here. Exciting, professional, technology, exactly.
Thank you so much.
No worries, you're very welcome. Thank you guys. Cheers.